What's this? What's happening?
Dear Susie, make yourself comfortable and let me introduce you a perfect winter fairy tale. Hot chocolate by the fireplace, the best ski slopes, and magnificent scenery.
Sammy, I can't ski. And I don't want to go into the cold. Brr.
Well then, how do you like the idea of going to a peaceful resort for meditation practices? Namaste.
Yeah, we'll give up everything distractive like the internet and look for the inner harmony.
Whoa, wait! That's kinda too extreme. Maybe I'll just go by the ocean and sunbathe on the beach.
Sammy, we don't have time to lie under the palm trees right now. We have a lot of work.
But I need new landscapes for inspiration!
Well, then we don't have to go that far to do that.
Huh? Really?
Na 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 na. Here we go. And done.
Hi guys, today Susie tricked me into painting again.
I didn't trick you, Sammy. You wanted a picturesque landscape for your inspiration, and I'm gonna give you one in about 10 minutes. How cool is that?
No offense, but so far I see nothing cool about your painting. Anyway, here are all the colors you asked for. Should I get a palette?
Not this time, Sammy. We're going to mix and blend the paints right on the canvas. Oh, I almost forgot to explain you about the masking tape, guys. It'll help you to make a perfect horizon line on your landscape.
And it also will make everything look neat.
Just make a few blobs like this. It's kind of a preparation stage.
Since you're painting this for me, Susie, let me add just a little bit of blue right here. Oh yeah, I think it already looks great.
Not so fast, mister. I need this as well. Here we go. Great. Now, guys, we'll just simply take a paintbrush soaked in water and do this.
Huh? So now you're just gonna spread the paint in whatever manner you like?
Not exactly. We still need to be accurate here. Like, if this is gonna be the sky, we should blend the colors making horizontal strokes.
That's not a hard task for a great painter. Let me show you how it's done, Susan. Watch me.
Guys, while the great master is working back there, take a second to hit the subscribe button.
We there are plenty of painting tutorials on this great channel. I'm done with the painting, by the way.
Wow! You've even added a few vertical strokes to make this look like water. Let's turn to the trees now. With a smaller brush, we'll start smudging our beautiful paint blobs. Here we go. Simple and fun.
I don't get it. We won't be able to see the tree trunks this way.
Oh, Sammy, would you stop doubting me already? Don't you trust me?
Oh, Susie, don't be mad. I just can't wait to see the result.
It's okay. Now we'll smudge the next color this way so that it overlaps the previous one.
Here, so you won't be mad at me.
Thank you, Sammy, but what is it?
It's a speed-up candy, Susie.
Oh, Sammy. But wait, I think I already feel something. Whoa! Ew, oh my, hail tibby-dabba, that speed-up effect doesn't last too long. Guys, I'm gonna get another paintbrush. Don't go anywhere.
Oh, what's taking her so long? We shouldn't let this
Don't tickle.
Susie, stop that, it tickles.
For our next step, we're gonna use this fan brush to add some more colors and shades.
Today we're gonna use all of the paintbrushes we have.
You don't say, Sammy.
And, like a true detective, I'm gonna go find your next artistic tool, Miss Susan. Whoa, whoopsie. Sorry, folks, today's not your day.
Oh, that playful little slime. What's wrong, Sammy? Did you find something?
This thing found me. It fell from the top shelf and hit me right on my head.
Oh, you poor thing. But actually, this is exactly what I need. Try not to apply too much paint on the spatula, guys, and work in smooth movements.
This is outrageous, Susan! You didn't even feel sorry for me!
What are you saying? Of course I feel sorry for you. How could I not? I've got an idea. Do you want to paint a bit? We can easily arrange that, you know. What do you say, huh?
Do I want to paint? Oh boy, need you ask?
Here.
Oh, thanks. Tap, 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 tap. As my granny used to say, small steps can lead to big changes.
Wow, that's wise. By the way, I've never met your granny. What is she like?
Well, she thinks she's an expert at practically everything, and she likes to cook and reprimand me all the time. So basically, she and you have a lot in common.
Hey, I'm not like that.
I'm just kidding, Sue.
Well, Sammy, what do you say? Does this seem to be inspiring?
That landscape still doesn't look real to me, you know.
That's because we are not done yet. This time we'll use a bigger spatula and some black paint. Whoosh! And that's how it's done, guys!
Time for my favorite part, right?
Yep. Are you ready? Let's do it.
Woohoo! Oh yeah, that crunchy sound. Give a thumbs up if you liked it too, guys.
Oh, believe me, you're gonna hear that sound many times today. Guys, for the next step, we kinda need to mirror the colors of our trees right here. You don't have to be precise, because we're trying to create the water jittering effect.
In the meantime, take a second to subscribe to our channel, people.
And closer to the horizon line, your strokes should go this way. Do you get it, Sammy?
Yeah. Wait, I have one question. Why don't you paint closer to the trees?
Oh, this is gonna be one more trick for you to write down. Hop, gotcha! Now that the top part of our picture has dried out, we need to protect it with the masking tape. And then proceed. I know that art can be messy, but I prefer painting this way.
Oh, shiver me cheddar, Susie, you have so many insights to share. What? More black paint? You promised me an inspiring landscape, not a depressing one.
Oh, Sammy, don't you know that patience is a virtue? Trust me, you're gonna love it. Now, I want you to set your inner artist free. Here, take this.
That I can do. Easy peasy.
You're a natural, my friend. We won't need this anymore. Huh?
Oh, Susie, but I wanted to rip off that tape.
Oh, I'm sorry. How about I let you do the finishing touch?
Oh, that sounds cool.
In the meantime, I'm gonna set my inner artist free. Watch closely, everyone. Check this out, guys. We kinda layer in the paint, adding volume to the picture.
Susie, how much longer? I'm about to fall asleep. Why?
I'm sorry, Sammy. I just need to add a few teeny tiny details. Here we go. By the way, if you're gonna sleep, then who's gonna pull up the rest of the masking tape?
I'm here. I'm awake. Just say when.
We're almost there, Sammy. Give me 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Yippee! It's slime time! Ta-da-da-da-da! Guys, let's check out our landscape in all its glory!
Well, Sammy, was this landscape worth waiting for?
Oh, yeah! It gave me so many ideas for our future crafts!
Oh.
We shouldn't waste time, Susie!
That's what I was afraid of. Did you like our painting today, guys? Then give us a thumbs up.
Oh, enough of that chit-chat already! We should draw a winter landscape for the beach!
Don't forget to tell your friends about this channel and subscribe. Bye-bye!